This iPhone has no notch, a USB-C port, and Apple's latest A15 Bionic processor. Although Apple's latest iPhone 13 series is widely regarded as a solid flagship for the price, the phone still has several compromises for its price, such as its legacy Lightning port, the absence of Touch ID, the missing 3.5mm headphone jack, and its hideous notch in the middle of the display. But as people say, if you want a thing, you gotta do it yourself, and this Chinese DIY electronics YouTuber, Aio Technology, has taken the motto to the next level, as he has created himself the fully functioning, new iPhone, that has a USB-C port, a 3.5mm headphone jack, a pop-up selfie camera, Touch ID, and most importantly of all, no notch. What makes this achievement more astounding is that the new iPhone that he had created features the same Apple A15 Bionic Society with 5G connectivity found on the iPhone 13 series, so you are not sacrificing performance at all when using the device. Let's start with how he made this iPhone. The creator said that to make this new iPhone, he had to buy the latest generation of the iPhone SE 2022, which was equipped with the 4.7-inch display and 5G processor that he needed for this project. Indirectly, the iPhone SE 3rd generation featured the Apple A15 Bionic processor paired with the 4GB RAM, which allowed the device to easily power through daily tasks with no stutters at all. As for the design of this new iPhone, to fully make use of the screen, the creator made a rectangular aluminum casing with minimal bezels for the LCD display panel to fit in. In pursuit of the truly bezel-less iPhone, the new iPhone features a flat-screen non-curved display that has top, left and right side bezels almost as thin as 1mm. However, he didn't stop there. He wanted this new iPhone project to go even further. Since there was no more space left on the home screen for Touch ID, the creator decided to embed the fingerprint sensor into the side-mounted power button. And since there was no room for the front-facing selfie camera as well, the mad lad had even created a dedicated pop-up motor mechanism as well just to house the selfie camera. Taking the dream a step further, since he also wanted a no-compromise iPhone, he had swapped out the iPhone SE3's battery for the larger capacity one on the iPhone X, and the Lightning port for a USB-C port. Despite all the modifications above, the man still managed to find space left to fit a 3.5mm headphone jack and wireless charging into the new iPhone. The end product of this project is truly nothing short of extraordinary, as not only this 4.7-inch bezel-less new iPhone is smaller than the iPhone 13 mini, it features the long-gone headphone jack, USB-C port, and even a larger battery than on the iPhone SE 3rd generation 2022. Unfortunately, this new iPhone is not available for sale and probably won't ever reach the market. However, there have been recent rumors of Apple implementing USB-C in its next iPhone 14 series like the iPad Air 4 2020 and iPad Mini 5 2021. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.